Let's move to next question. Find the sum of all the two digits number which leave the remainder 2 when divided by 5. Okay, तो पहले आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि टू डिजिट नंबर स्टार्ट कहाँ से होंगे. They will start from 2 and they will move till 99. So starting from 2, which are divided by 5 and leave remainder 2. So first number becomes 12. Similarly, the next number is adding 7, because on dividing 15 you will say it is divisible by 5, but it should leave remainder 2, so second number is 17. So this way you will get 12 and d is equal to 17 minus 12, that is 5. You get the value of 12 and 5. अब आपको sum निकालना है, so first you have to find the an and you have to find the last term also from behind. From behind 95 is divisible from 5 and adding to 97 will be your last term. So your AP is 12, 17, 22 and so on till 97. First you have to find an. An is equal to 97 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 5. Subtracting, you will get 5, 85 divided 5 n minus 1, or n is equal to 18. Now you have to find S18, that is 18 by 2, 2a, 2 into 12 plus n minus 1, that is 18 minus 1, 17 into 5, 85. 24 plus 85, 9 into 24 plus 85. So 5, 4 plus 5 is 9 and 2 plus 8, 8. So 9 into 109. So 9 9 is 81 or 9 1 is 9. So 981 is your solution. Let's move to next chapter, triangles. First chapter of geometry. In triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. If these are parallel, तो इनके side ratios क्या होंगी? Equal. So I can say 4. Let me write it. 4 by 6 is equal to 8 by QC. So this is 2 and QC is equal to 12. So this is your 12. Now it is saying find the length of AC. AC is 12 plus 8, 20. 20 is your answer. Next, in the figure, find the value of x for which PQ is parallel to AB. If PQ is parallel to AB, then we should say x plus 3 upon 3x plus 19 is equal to x upon 3x plus 4. Solving x plus 3 into 3x plus 4, this is 3x square plus 4x plus 9x plus 12 is equal to 3x square plus 19x. 3x square cancels with 3x square. 9x plus 4x becomes 11x. 11x plus 12 is equal to 19x. Or you can say 8x is equal to 12 and x is equal to let me check. 90, oh it is 13, oh sorry, it is 13x. So 13x is equal to 19x, or 19 minus 13 is 6x is equal to 12, or x is equal to 2. So A is your answer. Next is two triangles are similar if AM and PN are the altitudes of this triangle respectively, then and AB square upon PQ square is equal to 4 by 9. Then find AM ratio PN. Now it is given squares ratio, or I can say AB upon PQ is equal to 4 by 9 under the root, which is 2 by 3, and the remaining triangle sides are also in same ratio. AM by PN is also 2:3. Next, in the figure, if DE is parallel to BC and AD is 3 centimeter, AD is 3 centimeter, BD is given as 4 centimeter, BC is given as 14. You have to find DE is equal to what? Again 3 upon total 7 is equal to DE upon में 14, or this is 2, this is 6 centimeter is your answer. Next is, in this figure, x expressed in the term of ABC. You have to express it. Again, these triangles are similar because one angle is 47, 47 and angle R is common to both. R is common and these two angles are equal. So, similar triangles have their ratios are into similar. So, we can say here C upon C plus B is equal to x upon a, or x is equal to AC upon C plus B, or B plus C, AC upon B plus. So B is your answer. Next, in the given figure, ABC and ACB triangles are equal, given with double arrows, are complementary to each other. Oh, they are not equal, they are complementary. Complementary means if one angle is x, then another one is 90 minus x, and AD is perpendicular to BC. Then you have to calculate which one of them are correct. इनमें से कौन correct है, आपको ये check करना होगा. So for checking them, we have to check which triangles are similar. Now, if this angle is x, then this is 90 minus x. Now this is D, so this is angle x, and if it is 90, then this is 90 minus x. So from this we can conclude that the triangles which are similar is triangle ABD is similar to triangle CAD. So we can say BD upon AD is equal to AD upon में CD is equal to AB upon में BAC. So this way the conclusive term is BD into CD and AD का whole square is equal. Let's move to next question. Triangle. This is one of the favorite question of CBSE. They used to ask this question into different forms. Here you have to take triangle ABQ. You have to prove similar to triangle ABQ to ACR. And how you can do that? Angle CAR is common and angle B is equal to angle C 90 degree. So these are similar, and on similarity you can say A upon A plus B is equal to Z upon me Y. From here you can calculate the value of 1 by Z, which comes out to be 1 by Y, 1 by Y. So it comes out to be A upon Z times A plus B. Similarly, when you prove triangle CAP similar to triangle CBQ, you can say again this small angle is common and this is 90, this is 90. So these two are similar. So on similarity basis, you can say B upon A plus B is equal to Z upon me X. Again 1 by x is equal to b z time a plus b. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. On adding 1 and 2 you get 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to z a b आप कॉमन ले लेंगे, आपका ऊपर बचेगा a plus b. You can cancel this and you can write hence proved. Most easy question, 3 marker. In 23, in 22 and in 19 also. Next, triangle ABC is such that AB is 3 centimeter. Let me draw it. It is ABC. AB is 3, BC is 2 and CA is 2.5. If this triangle is similar to DEF. So instead of A we write D, in place of B we write E, and in place of C we write F. EF is given 4, then perimeter of DEF. अब you can see it is twice. So 2.5 का double 5, 3 का double 6. So 6 plus 4 plus 5 is 15 centimeter is your diameter, perimeter. Okay, that's the end of triangles. You get some similar question. Proving based question you usually get from NCERT. So practice well from NCERT the triangles question. Examples also. Next is coordinate geometry. So the first question from coordinate geometry, you have to find the distance of this point from x-axis. So find on x-axis y coordinate is 0. So we assume the point to be x0. So calculating x0, you have to calculate it the distance from x. It will be a perpendicular distance. Taking this point as -1 7. Let me draw it for you. This is the point -1 and 7 upward movement. So here somewhat here this point will lie. So it is asking perpendicular distance. So this is your perpendicular distance of this from y-axis, and this is your perpendicular distance from x-axis, which is 7. So 7 is your answer. Next, the distance between the point m minus n and minus nm is, so your distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the root is your answer. So minus m whole square plus y2 n minus n whole square under the root. This comes out to be minus 2 ka square is 4m square minus and 2n ka square is 4n square under the root, or you can say 2m square plus n square is your answer. Next, if the distance between the point this and this is 5, then what can be Wechsel value of k? Again from the distance formula, 5 ka square is equal to 4 minus 1 ka whole square plus k minus 0 ka whole square. This is 3 whole square is 9 plus k square, and this is 25. 25 minus 9 is 16. So k is plus minus 4. Next, the point on x-axis equidistance from point P and Q. So equidistant, let the point be A. Let the point be A. Therefore, we can say PA is equal to AQ, or you can say square of the both is equal. So PA and A के coordinate हम XY assume कर लेंगे, and the point on x-axis, so y coordinate must be 0. So हम x0 put करेंगे. So we will write x minus 5 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square is equal to x minus plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. This comes out to be x square plus 1 plus 2x, and this comes out to be x square plus 25 minus 10x. So cancelling x square from x square. So 10x plus 2x is 12x, or this is 24, or x is equal to 2. So the possible value is 2, 0. A is your answer. Next is, if the point A0 is equidistant from the point this and this, then find the value of P. Again we can say AB ka whole square is equal to AC ka whole square. So 3 minus 0 ka whole square plus P minus 2 ka whole square is equal to 0 minus P ka whole square plus 2 minus 5 ka whole square. So this is 3 ka square 9, and this is P square, and this is 3 ka square 9 plus P square plus 4 minus 4P. 2 to 4. So this is 4P. P square से P square cancel हो गया, 9 से 9 cancel हो गया. So this is 4 is equal to 4P, or P is equal to 1. If P is 1, find the length of AB. So A is your 0, 2 and B is your 3, 1. So solving 0, 3, 0 minus 3 ka whole square plus 2 minus 1 ka whole square under the root. So AB is equal to this. 3 ka square is 9, 2 minus 1, 1 ka square is 1 under the root, that is root 10 units is your answer. Next, in what ratio does x-axis divide the line segment AB? So section formula, let the ratio be m ratio 1 or k ratio 1, you can take anything. 3, 6 is your point A, this is your point P, and does x-axis, it is x-axis, so y coordinate is 0, so x0 are its coordinate, and B point is minus 12 comma minus 3. Section formula, minus 12m plus 3 divided by m plus 1 is equal to x. Similarly, for y coordinate, 0 is equal to minus 3m plus 6 upon में m plus 1, or 3m is equal to 6 or m is equal to 2. Now put 2 here. So this is minus 24 plus 3 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is minus 21 divided by 3. It is minus 7. So ratio is ratio, we have to calculate ratio is 2 ratio 1 and point coordinate is minus 7 comma 0. Next, find the ratio in which P4M divides the line segment joining these two. Okay, आपको find the ratio in which this divides line segment joining these 2 points. तो इन दोनों पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करने वाली एक लाइन सेगमेंट है, P पॉइंट उसके ऊपर लाई करता है. So we'll start the question from here. So P, it is 4 comma M, and at this point A is 2 comma 3 and this point B is 6 comma minus 3. Let the ratio be k ratio 1, then 4 is equal to k times 6 plus 2 upon में k plus 1, or you can say 4k plus 4 is equal to 6k plus 2, or k is equal to 1. Therefore ratio is 1 ratio 1, and coordinate m is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 3. Now 1 plus 1, or m is equal to 0. The 0 by 2 is 0. Next question. The vertices of a parallelogram in order this, then xy. So parallelogram A 1 2, B 4y, C x and 6, D 3 comma 5. So then first you can find D, AD का whole square is equal to BC का whole square. So you can say 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 का whole square plus 2 minus 5 is minus 3 का whole square. That is 4 plus 9, that comes out to be 25. And this side it is 4 minus x का whole square plus y minus 6 का whole square. This is 16 plus x square plus minus 4 to the 8x plus y square plus 36 minus, or you can leave it as it is also, no need to solve it. We'll put the value of xy from another equation. So this is 25 is equal to 4 minus x whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. And the other side, or you can say the coordinates, they bisect equally, so point O के coordinates हम दोनों साइड से निकाल लेंगे. It will be a midpoint 1:1, so we can say 3 plus 4 by 2 is equal to 1 plus x by 2. So 2 से 2 cancel, 3 plus 4 7, 7 minus 1 is 6. So x is 6. Use directly this instead of this. This will be easy. Again, this is also 1:1. So you can say 1 minus x, 1 minus x, 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 2 plus 6 by 2. हमने कुछ गलत किया है. First AC, first let take AC पे O is midpoint and will solve. According to midpoint, 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 2 plus 6, comma 2 plus 6 by 2. These are the coordinates. And if we take BD, again O is midpoint. So on that basis, this is 3 plus 4 by 2, comma 5 plus y by 2. Now the O point is same, equating the two, we can say 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 by 2. 2 से 2 cancel, x comes out to be 6. In a similar way, 2 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 5 plus y by 2. Again 2 से 2 cancel, 6 plus 2 8, 8 minus 5 is 3, y is equal to 3. So you got the values. X is 2, 6 and 3. So A is your answer. Let's move to next question. Trigonometry, the most important and the difficult one of the class 10. First question, 15 cot A is 8, so you can say cot A is equal to 8 by 15, or cot A is nothing, it is base upon perpendicular is 8 by 15. So your hypotenuse is 8 ka square plus 15 ka square under the root. This is 64 plus 225, that comes out to be 289 and 17. So you'll get 17. Sine A is nothing, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So your perpendicular is 15 and hypotenuse is 17. Sec A is cos A, inverse of cos A, that is h upon b, that means 17 upon 8 is your answer. Next question, tan A plus cot alpha, tan alpha plus cot alpha is 2, then tan square alpha plus cot square alpha की वैल्यू आपको बतानी है. सो अगर मैं इसे लिखूं tan alpha plus 1 upon tan alpha, so value is given 2. And for such kinds of problems, you can squaring both sides, this becomes tan square plus 1 upon tan square plus 2 is equal to 4, or tan square plus 1 upon tan square is equal to 2. Again squaring both sides, this is 10 की power 4 plus 1 upon 10 की power 4. 2 का square 4 is again 2, and redoing it you will get t की power 8 plus, you don't need to do so many times, just remember the answer is, your answer is 2. The other way of solving is you can write t square plus 1 upon t square is equal to 2. Don't take it this way. You just do no. Delete. You write it just t plus 1 upon t is equal to 2, or t square plus 1. t square plus 1 is equal to 2t, or on solving this t is equal to 1. Therefore 1 plus 1 upon 1 is equal to 2, or tan alpha is equal to 2. So 1 upon tan alpha, sorry, tan alpha is 1, and 1 upon tan alpha cot alpha is also 1. 1 की power 20 plus 1 की power 20 it comes out to be 2. So 2 is your answer. Next, 5 by 8 sec square 60. Just put the value of all the trigonometric ratios and calculate the value. On solving, you will get 0 as the answer. If you ask me, tan 60, it is 2 ka square, this value. Tan is root 3 ka square, and this is 1 by root 2 ka whole square. And on solving, you get the answer 2. नेक्स्ट इज cos थीटा रूट 3 बाई 2. cos थीटा रूट बाई 3 बाई 2 की वैल्यू होती है आपकी 30 डिग्री पे, तो थीटा की वैल्यू आपकी यहाँ पे 30 डिग्री आ गई. यू पुट दिस 30 हियर एंड सॉल्व on solving, after putting cos 30 का स्क्वायर प्लस sec 30 का स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय cos 30 का स्क्वायर प्लस sec 30 का स्क्वायर, your answer will come out 1 by 2. Next, given sin alpha root 3 by 2, so alpha comes out to be 60 degree from here, because sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Similarly, tan alpha 1 by root 3, you will find 1 by root 3 value of tan at 30 degree. So beta comes out to be 30 degree. And putting here 60 minus 30 is 30. So cos 30 की वैल्यू होती है 1 by 2. So B is your answer. Let's move to next. Sorry, cos 30 is not 1 by 2. Cos 30 is your root 3 by 2. My mistake. It's root 3 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Next is find the acute angle theta when cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta is this. You can solve such problems through the help of rationalization, and on rationalization you will get it is like cos theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to cos theta minus cos square theta minus sin square theta, and you will get the values like or there is a shortcut method also to solve this. Instead of doing it like that way, you can just simply do divide cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta, and नीचे भी cos theta upon cos theta plus sin theta upon sin theta, and you will get 1 minus root 3 upon में 1 plus root 3. So this is 1 minus tan theta and 1 plus tan theta. 1 minus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3. As you know, for this equation to be true, tan theta must be equal to root 3 or theta must be equal to 60 degree. This is much shorter way to do it. Next is 1 plus cot square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cot square theta. This is an identity question. To solve this, you just take right hand side first, and on right hand side you simply change it into you change 1 into another form. Let's keep it same, but instead of tan square theta you can write it 1 upon cot square theta. You have taken left hand side, so taking LCM, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cot square theta plus 1 divided by cot square theta or cot square theta into 1 plus cot square theta upon में cot square theta minus plus 1. This cancel out is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Next is sec. Okay, let's move from here. Let 1 by x is 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta. So on rationalizing, sec theta minus tan theta upon में sec theta minus tan theta. This comes out to be sec theta minus tan theta upon sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So this comes out to be sec theta minus tan theta. So 1 by x is the value of sec theta minus tan theta. Next question. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to √3 sin theta dot cos theta की आपको वैल्यू निकालनी है. अगेन स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड कर दीजिए. दिस बिकम्स sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 3. √3 का स्क्वायर is 3. This is 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 3 or sin theta dot cos theta is equal to 1. Hence, next, x is equal to p sec theta plus q tan theta, y is equal to x p tan theta plus q sec theta. Now squaring, x square is equal to p square sec square theta plus q square tan square theta plus 2pq sec theta into tan theta. Similarly, y square is equal to p square tan square theta plus q square sec square theta plus 2pq sec theta into tan theta. If you subtract this, you'll get, this will be cancelled out. This is x square minus y square and this is p square is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta and this is plus q square अगर आप कॉमन लेंगे, this is tan square theta minus sec square theta. So this is 1 and this is minus 1. इसकी वैल्यू आपकी 1 होती है, इसकी वैल्यू आपकी minus 1 होती है. So on putting that, you get this equation. Okay, let's move to next. This is 1 plus sec theta minus tan theta, 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta. In such situation, replace 1 with sec square theta minus tan square theta into plus sec theta minus tan theta divided by sec square theta minus tan square theta. Don't change the bottom one, keep it as it is. This is 1 plus sec theta tan theta plus tan theta. ऊपर a square minus b square का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे. So this is sec theta minus tan theta and ब्रैकेट में sec theta plus tangent theta plus sec theta minus tan theta. Divided by 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta. Take sec theta minus tan theta common. Sec theta minus tan theta. You're left with nothing. It is 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta plus 1, not 1 here. Which is equal to 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, and tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. This is equal to 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta, which is equal to right hand side. Okay, rationalize it. 1 plus sin a whole square upon 1 minus sin square a. This is 1 plus sin a divided by cos a whole square under the root. So this is cancelled. 1 upon cos a plus sin a upon में cos a. So this is secant a plus tan a equal to right hand side, hence proved. Next, application of trigonometry. A ladder makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground when placed against a wall. If the foot of the ladder is 2 meters away from the wall, find the length. So this is your diagram. Suppose this makes an angle of 60 degree. It is 2 meters away from the ground. आपको length of the ladder find out करनी है. So this is the length of the ladder. You can use cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, which is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So L comes out to be 4. Next, the shadow of a tower standing on the level ground is found to be 40 meters longer when the sun altitude is 30 degree than what it is at 60 degrees. So this is your tower. This is at shadow 1 and shadow 2. Trick is more steeper, bigger angle. So this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. ये टावर की हाइट को हम h मान लेते हैं. Now it is saying the shadow of the tower standing on a level ground is 40 meter longer. 40 मीटर लॉन्गर मतलब ये हिस्सा आपका 40 हो गया. अब आपको हाइट ऑफ द टावर बताना है. हम इसे x अज्यूम कर लेते हैं. सो वी कैन से h upon x is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So h upon x is equal to root 3, or x is equal to h by root 3. Now again, h upon में 40 plus x is equal to tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So on place of x, we're going to put 40 plus h by root 3. On solving this, you'll get root 3h upon 40 root 3 plus h is equal to 1 by root 3. On cross multiplication, it's come out to be 3h is equal to 40 root 3 plus h, or 2h is equal to 40 root 3, or h is equal to 20 root 3 units. मीटर, नॉट यूनिट्स, इट्स शेडो की यूनिट मीटर में दी हुई है. सो आपकी हाइट ऑफ द टावर भी मीटर में आ जाएगी. सो ये दिस यू हैव टू फाइंड. नेक्स्ट, एन एरोप्लेन इज फ्लाइंग एट अ हाइट ऑफ 300 मीटर अबव द ग्राउंड. Flying at this height, the angle of depression from the aeroplane of 2 points on the banks of a river in the opposite direction are 45 degree and 60 degree. Suppose this is your plane and this is angle of depression on one side, this is angle of depression on another side. So this angle is given as 45 degree, this angle is given as 60 degree. Alternately, this is 60 and this is 45 degree. This height is 300 meter. You have to calculate the width of the river taking root 3 as 1.7. So this is 300 meter, and take this as x and this as y. So 300 upon y is equal to tan 45, or y is equal to 300, because tan 45 is 1. Again, 300 upon x is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So 300 by root 3 is your x, or into root 3 upon root 3. Never leave a root value in denominator. This comes out to be 100 root 3. Putting the value of root 3, 100 into 1.732. This comes out to be 173.2 meter. This is again meter. So width is x plus y, which is equal to 300 plus 173.2. So this is 473.2 meter wide. What is observed from the top of 150-meter high cliff moving away from the cliff? The angle of depression of the boat changes from 60 degree to 45 degree in 2 minutes. Find the speed of the boat in meter per hour. Okay.